In this video, I want to talk about the color psychology in your trading strategy. Okay, so this is a topic that not many people is talking about, but I think it's important to note that colors have an influence in our emotions subconsciously. Okay, we are not aware, our brain is not aware of this consciously, but subconsciously our brain has been wired through the years and through the evolution to identify with colors an emotion. Okay, so in this video we're going to discuss this. Okay, before jumping into the video, I encourage you to follow me on Twitter at trading_soldier, where I post my daily updates with some news that can influence the market, and also I post my trades. As you can see here, many trades that I do, my setups, my views on the market, my bias, my ideas. So I encourage you to follow me here on Twitter, and also I encourage you to visit my website trading-soldier.com, and here you can see my articles that I publish. These articles are a written format from the videos I upload to Rumble and YouTube. But if you want to read, for example, this article that I published yesterday, here you can read it, you can see images of what I'm explaining in the video, but in a written format, so it's different. And so I encourage you to visit my website. Okay, so we are going to talk about color psychology in this video. Okay, why this is important? As I said before, our brains subconsciously associate certain colors to certain emotions. Okay, so if we go to this article in this website, this is not just a mere thing that you can find on internet. There are books and studies, scientific studies, that are, let's say, measuring the influence of the colors in our perception and our emotions. Okay, to give you two examples of the real life, the first example that I have in mind is, for example, the animals. When we see a snake, or also the frogs that are poisonous, or also the spiders. Okay, if you see a spider or a snake that is in a yellow color or a red color, orange color, those are colors that are identified with danger. Okay, so our brain, since the dawn of times, since the beginning of times, where we have evolved in a hunting and gathering environment, okay, our brain is trained to identify patterns, and in these patterns, obviously, there is the colors. Okay, so when we see a color that is, for example, red, a snake with red color, or a spider with red color, we identify this spider as poisonous or dangerous, and we want to get away from it. So society has evolved, but our brain is wired, let's say, in the Paleolithic, or where before we evolved to this technology that we live right now. But if you see a chart, a common chart in trading, okay, let's search a normal chart. Okay, we see an image, and as we see here, the candles are green when you go up and red when you go down. Okay, and the other example that I want to give you is, for example, the big brands, the banks, the marketing, for example, of Nike or Adidas. Okay, these brands also play with the packaging or the advertisements that they publish. Okay, they play with the color psychology. Okay, because, for example, banks use black or white or blue color, for example, to establish his brand as with confidence or trustworthy. Okay, so this is very well known in marketing, the color psychology, also in the website design or e-commerce, the colors, where certain colors are placed in a website to make the customer do certain actions. Okay, so this is well used in the past, as I explained before, with animals or poisonous animals, with snakes or spiders, and in the modern society with, for example, brands or websites or marketing, okay? So as I said before, in a chart, a standard chart, okay, we see that the candles that are bullish are green and the candles that are bearish are red, okay? If we go to this article of this website that is colorpsychology.org, okay, we are going to see, for example, the main color, the red, okay, of the bearish candles, okay. So the emotions that this I want to make clear that this is not conscious, okay, is subconscious. So our brain feels these emotions subconsciously. We are not conscious about this, okay? So, for example, with the red, we have associated with energy, war, danger, strength, power, okay? So, as you know, in trading, the emotions, you need to tame them, you need to control your emotions. The last thing you want to feel is emotions when you're trading, because you want to trade the chart and be objective or about what the chart is telling you, okay? But if your brain is subconsciously being influenced with these colors, okay, maybe you don't realize it, but you are being influenced in your decisions when trading, okay? So the last thing you want to feel when the price is going down, for example, let's say you buy Bitcoin spot here, okay, and you see a bearish candle in red, okay, and you begin feeling danger, fear, okay, and you sell with losses, okay. That's the last thing you want to do when you're trading. And in the other hand, you have the green, okay. The bullish candles are printed in green in a standard chart, okay. So, for example, the green symbolizes growth, harmony, freshness, and fertility. Also, I read books where it's associated with hope, okay, or also with energy, okay. So, when you are in trading, okay, the last thing you want to feel is growth or hope, because when you see a bullish candle printed in the chart, you may feel hope that this is continue going higher, and this is associated with FOMO, okay? Or maybe you have not entered in a position, the chart is going up, you see a lot of bullish candles, okay, a lot of green candles, you are feeling hope that this is going higher, and you buy the FOMO, and then the price reverses. So that's why I wanted to do this video, because I think that color psychology, maybe as I said before, we don't realize it, but influences our emotions, and our emotions influences our decisions in trading. So in my opinion, it's important to monitor these little things that maybe make changes in our decisions in trading. So having said that, and having discussed this, how the red and the green, that is the main colors that we play in the standard charts, let's say, how can we change this? For example, in TradingView, as you see, my charts, this is an indicator that prints these candles in different colors, okay, light green, light with green, red, okay, but my standard chart is, as you see, for the bullish candles, a light blue color, okay, and for the bearish candles, I have a hollow candle with the body in black and the outline in white, okay. So for me, this is, as you see here in my CoinAnalyze account, okay, you see that my chart is like this, okay, light blue for the bullish candles and black with a white outline for the bearish candles, okay. For me, this is most relaxed to see, as if I see this is very aggressive for me personally, okay. So I prefer to have my charts in a light colors, that also with my sight don't result aggressive for looking it after a lot of hours, okay. So to change this, okay, you need to go to TradingView, okay, you go here on the app in the settings, and you see the chart settings. Okay, you go here in symbol, and here you have these settings. For example, this is light blue, is the light blue, okay, of the body. You have the borders and the wick. Okay, you can change the color here. Okay, those are the settings that you need to change in order to change the color. Okay, for example, if I change here to green, okay, you see it changes to green. Okay, I will return to the light blue. Okay, but if you are interested in the color psychology and how the color psychology can affect your trading decisions, and you want to change it, you go here, and in the symbol here, not in these others here, you can change these colors of the chart and make a more relaxing and a more plain, let's say, chart to only focus on price action and only focus on levels, and not let subconsciously influence these colors, these emotions, and make you, let's say, take wrong decisions in your trading. Okay, so as I said before, I encourage you to follow me in Twitter and at trading_soldier to see my daily updates that I publish here. And also I encourage you to visit visit my website at trading-soldier.com, where you can find a lot of articles that I publish, and also the videos regarding these topics. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope this video give you some insights that you can improve in your trading, and I encourage you to subscribe to this channel, to give a like, and we see you on the next video.